Hey, how's it going? This is Prince.
This is Makaiya.
And this is the Makaiya Cooking Show. I'll make sure I got my muscles out.
See?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So today, it was so hot in Durham, North Carolina. How hot was it, baby?
Really hot that you could cook bacon on the sidewalk.
It's about 101 degrees out here. All right, so today we decided to go ahead and make us some milkshakes because it was so hot out here. How hot? I mean, I didn't keep going. All right, look. All right. It was so hot today in North Carolina. It's about, I think right now they're saying it's 101 degrees here in North Carolina. So we decided to go ahead and figure out a way how we can have some fun and stay cool at the same time. Kai, what you got for us?
We have the pool.
And?
Milkshakes, actually.
Milkshakes, I'm actually gonna make some chocolate. What kind of milkshake?
Strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake. I'm actually gonna make some chocolate muscle milkshake. It makes muscles. When you drink it, if this is all you drink, you just get muscles. We also wanna...
Dad, I love frozen yogurt.
All right, let's go. All right, tell them about your... If anyone is looking to get their custom-made aprons or t-shirt, definitely click
in the description below or on my face right now.
Or on the website.
It will be in the description below.
That's right. All right, so talk to us, Kai. What we're cooking today? I mean, what we're making today?
We will need, right now, some strawberry ice cream, aka frozen yogurt. Some picked fresh strawberries.
You gotta show it to me.
Probably organic is the best. It's too bright.
All right.
Okay. And just some strawberry milk. You could use regular milk too, but strawberry is going with the strawberry vibes right now. Yep.
And what I am using today is Shakeology muscle milk. I got this from my homie, Sam. Shout out to Sam's Barbershop out over on Angier Avenue for blessing a good brother with the Shakeology. I'm also gonna put in there not regular strawberries, not frozen strawberries, chocolate fresh strawberries.
The one in the thing?
Chocolate fresh, yes.
Oh.
The chocolate fresh strawberries for my milkshake. Let's get it popping.
Wait! Okay, the materials you will need for this milkshake are some just strawberry milk. It doesn't really matter what kind it is. Some organic strawberries, or just strawberries. Some strawberry ice cream or frozen yogurt. And some cups to put your milkshake inside of it. And
hi, this is Tyrone.
What am I going to do?
Tyrone is so frustrated with his business.
She canceled on me.
His clients are canceling on him at the last minute.
Can't find me here.
People are having a difficult time trying to find his store. Then Tyrone got a bright idea
I should go ahead and just call him.
and called Prince Digital Marketing at 919-972-8063. Now Tyrone has his own business app with online payments, and now if someone cancels on him, he get paid just for being there. And money is falling from the sky. Get your business app today. Call, text, DM, or book online. Prince Beast Mode Marketing.
You can't go wrong with him. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with him.
at the back.
Welcome back to the Makaiya Cooking Show. So a great way to stay cool this summer is by making milkshake. We're making our milkshake in a NutriBullet. You can get this NutriBullet from Amazon. Click the link above or below in the description.
You'll have to have your blade.
Okay.
Any type of blade will work. Probably one of the sharpest ones to cut up
The strawberries.
And some cups. And you can add toppings to it, whatever you want to it. Doesn't really matter.
I'm actually putting cookies and cream inside of my milkshake to make it just that much more potent. But before we get started, we're gonna take a quick break by one of our sponsors.
Okay, so now we're adding some strawberries in, but we're adding the strawberries inside of it so it could be a more healthier drink, and so it could have more like flavor and plus.
This is why dads are important, because you can't open it, so I'm gonna open it with my big muscles. Oh, it looks so, it looks so good.
You want to sniff?
Smells so good too.
It smells real.
And that's how you make a milkshake in under 2 minutes. 5
minutes. Okay.
2 minutes.
3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever.
Let me get my milkshake on.
I'm gonna make some more.
I can taste cookie chunks
I can taste strawberry.
when I swallow it.
I can taste strawberry. This milkshake tastes so good.
I want some more.
You want to make some more?
This mug better than a Newport.
This mug's better than... You want to make some more right now?
No, I already got some more.
I need to make some more because Malika ate half of mine.
Too bad for you.
I'm making some more.
No, too bad for you.
I am so.
I feel like I'm floating in the sky. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. Yeah, let's make some more.
Okay. Bye, y'all.